This is Gracie May. She's a full-blooded brindle English Bulldog, and this is her story. I found Gracie when she was 2 years old on a rescue site. Her owner was not well and couldn't take care of her like she wanted to. I fell in love immediately. I went and picked Gracie up and brought her home, and she immediately became part of the family. She was like one of my kids. Gracie was full of personality. She was bullheaded, she was stubborn, she snored, she slobbered, but she was loving, and she was sweet, and she was full of life, and we loved her. Gracie could be a full handful at times, but there was never a dull moment when she was around. We lost our beautiful girl this past August. Since then, there's been a hole in my heart that I struggle with every day. They say you're not supposed to get too attached to your animals, but this wasn't just an animal. She was like one of my kids. My daughters complained at times that I treated her better than I did them. I always told them that it was because Gracie didn't backtalk, even though in actuality she probably did in her own way. But Gracie loved me just as much as I loved her. We had a bond like no other. I hope and pray that wherever she's at, she's happy.
I hope the angels know what they have. I'll bet it's so nice up in heaven since you arrived. I hope you're dancing in the sky, and I hope you're singing in the angels' choir, and I hope the some nights up in heaven since you arrived, since you arrived.